The ultimate in offshore fishing, the Boston Whaler Outrage. It's truly outrageous. No sea's too big for this beast. Available 25 up to 42 feet. This is the 33. As you can see, lots of room to move around for fishing in the back of the boat. Plenty of room for you and your crew. Nice big live well there. Let's say your crew wants to go and run the distance out to the middle grounds. You've got nice seating back here to do that. When it's time to get serious, flip that out of the way and you've got an awesome cockpit back here. Side door, you want to take a break, do a little swim, or you got a big tuna you want to bring in, you've got the side door. And the hardware, that's Boston Whaler quality. There's nothing like it on the market. Another live well there. The ultimate in flexibility as well. Little prep station. Big seating area up here. Again, the ultimate all-purpose boat too. Lots of seating, very comfortable up here, windless. You've got storage in the floor. Being a Boston Whaler, the entire boat is filled with foam. So all of these storage areas are the ultimate coolers. So your ice will stay for the entire trip. Massive rod storage and coffin box storage there. The big queen seat on the bow. This is the good spot. You'll notice full glass all the way around the center console with an opening at the top that's electrically actuated. Here you've got a huge center console, lots of room to stand up if you want to shower off or get changed. Plenty of room down there. Here at the helm, neat feature. Some people are vertically challenged like me, and you can get up a little bit higher, have better visibility over the bow of the boat, or just for more comfort, if you're up on these lovely, comfortable seats, you've got armrests, stainless steel, Boston Whaler quality everywhere throughout this boat. Huge screens on the helm, and everything and anything you'd want for the day of boating, fishing, or fun. Outrage.